Ever found yourself holding onto some crypto on Newton, maybe from a lucky trade, an investment that paid off, or just some digital assets you're ready to convert back into cold, hard cash? And then you think, okay, how do I actually get that money out of here? You're not alone. Many people navigate the exciting world of buying crypto, but when it comes to the reverse, selling and withdrawing, it can feel a little less straightforward. It's a common misconception that selling crypto is some arcane art, reserved for the tech-savvy or the financial gurus. The truth is, platforms like Newton have made the process incredibly user-friendly. But user-friendly doesn't always mean instantly obvious, especially if you're new to the space or you've only ever focused on the buying side of things. Think of it like learning to drive. You master accelerating and turning, but then parallel parking comes along and it's a whole new challenge. Selling crypto on Newton, thankfully, is much easier than parallel parking, but a clear, step-by-step guide can save you a lot of head-scratching and potential errors. Today, we're going to demystify the process of selling your crypto on Newton and getting that money back into your bank account. We'll go through every click, every confirmation, and every important detail you need to know to ensure a smooth, successful transaction. This isn't just about clicking buttons, it's about understanding why you're clicking them, what to look out for, and how to avoid common pitfalls. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at navigating the Newton selling process, feeling confident and in control of your digital assets. So, let's break this down into manageable steps. Whether you're selling a small amount or a significant portion of your portfolio, the principles remain the same. And remember, while this guide focuses on Newton, the core concepts of selling crypto, understanding market prices, withdrawal limits, and security are universal. Step 1. Logging in and navigating to your portfolio. The first thing you need to do, of course, is log into your Newton account. Go to their official website or open the Newton app on your mobile device. Always double-check that you're on a legitimate Newton site to avoid phishing scams. Look for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar and ensure the URL is correct. Once you've entered your credentials, including any two-factor authentication, which you absolutely should have enabled for your own security, you'll land on your Newton dashboard. Here, you'll see an overview of your holdings. To initiate a sale, you need to access your portfolio. On the web interface, you'll typically find a Portfolio or Balances tab. On the mobile app, it's usually accessible through a navigation menu at the bottom or top of the screen. Click on it to see a detailed breakdown of all the cryptocurrencies you hold. Step 2. Selecting the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Now that you're in your portfolio, you'll see a list of all your digital assets and their current values. Identify the specific cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Let's say you want to sell some Bitcoin, BTC. Click on Bitcoin. This will take you to a dedicated page for that particular asset, showing its price chart, your current holdings, and options to buy, sell, or transfer. Step 3. Initiating the sale. On the individual crypto asset page, you'll clearly see a sell button. This is your gateway to converting your crypto back into fiat currency. Click on it. Newton will then present you with an interface where you can specify the amount of crypto you want to sell. You'll typically have two main options. Enter the crypto amount. For example, you can type in 0.05 BTC if you want to sell that specific quantity. Enter the fiat amount. Alternatively, you can specify how much Canadian dollars, CAD, you want to receive. For instance, you could enter 1,000 Canadian dollars, and Newton will automatically calculate the corresponding amount of crypto you need to sell at the current market rate. Below these input fields, Newton will display the estimated receive amount. This is a crucial number to pay attention to. It shows you exactly how much CAD you will receive after any applicable fees are deducted. Newton is known for its low fees, often quoting zero commission, but it's always good practice to confirm the final amount. Important note on market price: crypto prices fluctuate constantly. The estimated receive amount is based on the current market price at the moment you initiate the transaction. If you take a long time to confirm, the price might shift. Newton will typically lock in the price for a short period once you proceed, but large market movements can still impact the final amount. Step 4. Reviewing your order. Before you finalize the sale, Newton will present you with a review order screen. This is your last chance to double-check everything. This screen will typically show the cryptocurrency you are selling, the amount of crypto you are selling, the amount of CAD you expect to receive, any applicable fees, though Newton prides itself on transparent pricing, often stating spread rather than explicit fees, which is incorporated into the buy-sell price, the current exchange rate being applied. Take a moment to carefully review all these details. Make sure the amounts are correct and that you're comfortable with the estimated receive amount. Once you're satisfied, click the Confirm Sale or Swipe to Sell on mobile button. Step 5. Confirmation of sale. Once you confirm, Newton will process your order. This usually happens almost instantaneously. You'll receive a confirmation message stating that your sale was successful. The equivalent CAD amount will then be credited to your Newton CAD balance. You will typically see this reflected immediately in your overall portfolio summary. Step 6. Withdrawing funds to your bank account. Now that your crypto has been successfully converted into CAD and is sitting in your Newton balance, the next step is to withdraw it to your external bank account. From your main dashboard or portfolio screen, look for an option like Withdraw or Send Funds. You'll want to select Canadian dollars or CAD as the currency you wish to withdraw. Newton offers various withdrawal methods, but the most common and often fastest for Canadian users are Interac e-Transfer. This is generally the quickest and most convenient option. You'll need to link your bank account to your Newton profile for this. Newton will send an e-transfer to the email address associated with your bank account. Wire transfer. For larger amounts, a wire transfer might be available. This can take longer, 1 to 3 business days, and might incur higher fees from your bank, though Newton itself might not charge a fee. Select your preferred withdrawal method. If it's Interac e-Transfer, Newton will usually pre-populate your email address. If not, ensure you enter the correct email linked to your bank account. Next, you'll need to specify the amount you want to withdraw. You can withdraw your entire CAD balance or a partial amount. Be mindful of any daily or transaction limits Newton might have for withdrawals. These limits are usually displayed on the withdrawal screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.